Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to link AliExpress to Amazon. So what sellers actually do is use AliExpress suppliers as a source of products, and then they resell those products on Amazon. So the very first step that you should do is go on AliExpress and look for trending items with high order counts and great reviews. It could be anything that you could think of, for example, gadgets, electronic devices, accessories, or home products, whatever that you want to. But my personal advice is to avoid branded items, because Amazon can ban your account if you sell, let's say, fake Nikes. Then you should go to Amazon and basically list your product. So you should upload your own photos, title and description of the item, and you want to highlight the benefits of the item and not just features of the item. And basically, when someone places an order on Amazon, you will get notified immediately in your Seller Central account with all the details about the order, including product, quantity, and shipping address. And after delivery, the customer can leave review and rating, which will impact your seller reputation and future sales. So that is basically how we can link AliExpress to Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.